Ground Force's Charlie Dimmock flooded with support as she transforms career after tragedy. Charlie Dimmock became a household name as a key member of Ground Force, joining forces with Alan Titchmarsh and Tommy Walsh. After taking a hiatus from life in the limelight, Ground Force star Charlie Dimmock has been inundated with support after returning to the forefront of our television screens. The gardener, 57, was a household name in the late 1990s, thanks to her incredible skills in the outdoor spaces on the hit series. Charlie took a long break from television after tragically losing her mum Sue and stepdad Rob in the catastrophic tsunami in Thailand in 2004. She made her TV comeback in 2016 by starring on Garden Rescue and now presents the show today. After the airing of one of the latest episodes, viewers flocked to X, formerly known as Twitter, to applaud Charlie for transforming her career. One enthusiastic viewer expressed, "It's amazing to see how much Charlie Dimmock has transformed over the years. From her 90s TV debut alongside Alan Titchmarsh to her current role on Garden Rescue, she has certainly come a long way." It's great to see her still passionate about gardening and bringing joy to so many people. Keep up the great work, Charlie. Another person gushed, Charlie Dimmock. Who can forget her? She is an amazing gardener. Glad to see her back on the TV. Somebody else wrote, I love Charlie Dimmock. Always has a positive energy and a huge smile. A fourth said, I love Charlie. Her experience and character shine through. A genuinely lovely woman who is completely real XXX. Sick. While a fifth BBC viewer complimented, lovely lady, beautiful smile. Charlie was left devastated after the horrific events of the 2004 tsunami, remaining silent at the time, with her representative releasing a statement that read, "It is very upsetting for her. It has been too soon for her to come to terms with it.